Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about first derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about the product rule of derivative. So if we have y equals to ab, so if we do first derivative of this one, we need to do first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. And the next one, we have the power rule of derivative. So we have y equals to a to the power of n. So if we do first derivative of this one, we have na to the power of n minus 1. The next one, that is about trigonometry. So in this situation, if we have y equal to sine as plus b, so we do first derivative of this one. We need to do first derivative of as plus b, and about sine we change by cosine. So first derivative of as, so first derivative of s, we have number 1. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0, so we have a. And the second one, so for this one, first derivative of cosine, you have negative sine as plus b. And then we have a in here. The next one, so if we do first derivative of tan, we have secant of as plus b to the power of 2. And then we put about a. Now we can apply the formula in here. So we applied about the power rule in here. So number 5 in here, we put in here. And this one, we keep the same, and we have 5 minus 1. Later that, we continue doing first derivative in here. So 5 minus 1, we have number 4. So we do first derivative of this one. This one, we applied this one. So we have 2 cosine 2x plus 1. This one, we applied the product rule. So we need to do first derivative of cosine x squared multiplied by tan 4x. Later that, we do first derivative of tan 4x multiplied by cosine x squared. So this one, we apply this formula in here. And we have negative 2x sine s squared. This one, we applied this formula in here, and we have 4 secant of 4x. That is the end. Thank you for watching.